Hey everyone, I'm going to show you today is how to use a really cool free Chrome extension called GMBspy, or you can call it as Google My Business Spy. It's going to allow you to see all the categories a business using not just the primary category, which is all Google displays right now. So this is really good to use it to spy in your competition. So the first thing we need to do is go to GMB in Chrome, and it is pretty standard stuff. Nothing crazy here. Just add the extension, and then when it adds, put it in the hidden, like we need to click the puzzle over here and pin it. So now it displays up here. You can see this little black little guy with a black hat. And then search your interest, like if I search restaurants in London, and yeah, ever the first one is a sponsored. We need to search for organic. So this one's, so first I'll go with hide. So after open this, so let me click this one. So this is the primary keyword is modern European restaurant. This is the primary keyword of this site. So if I go to this, so yeah, only restaurant. So we can go to another, so we can look for another keywords which we can implement. We can add our in our GMBs. See, these are the first primary key category they are using European restaurant, and the secondary categories they are using. Nice, we have a great ideas about what they are using, and in that way we can go to we can search for 10 top uh, results, and we can finalize our categories. Okay, so now if we go to Italian restaurants, so let's say one of our clients is an Italian restaurant. If you click this one of their competitors, uh, Ravenna Italian, they are using the only Italian restaurant they are using, the only the. So here is an example, like you can check the categories over here. So hopefully this give you some good information on how to use GMB Spy to check your competitors and what are the categories they are using. So yeah, that's all. Thank you. Thank you, bro. Bye.